Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Do you know how much syllabus we have completed till now? We have completed 3 chapters, correct? From 3 chapters, we have completed 2 lessons and 1 poem. And yesterday, I told you we are going to study fourth number topic, and the name of the topic is a string song. What is name of the topic? A string song. So now in this poem, what we are going to study? We are going to study about a string which is made by children. In now this is actually class activity. It is what class activity students are going to perform in the class. But now you cannot be with me, so we cannot do that activity in the class. And it is said that all students will pass the first child's message, or then the sentence which is said by first child will be said by second child, and he will add his own second sentence. Again, third child will say first child's also sentence, second child's also sentence, and he will add his third sentence. Then fourth child will do what? He will say first child sentence, second child sentence, third child sentence, and he will add his fourth sentence. Understood? Then what fifth child will do? Fifth child will say, fifth child will do what? Fifth child will, what fifth child will do? Fifth child will also do same thing. What he will do? He will tell sentence of first child, he will tell sentence of second child, third child, fourth child, and he will add his own sentence. What sixth child will do? Sixth child will tell sentence of first child, second, third, fourth, fifth, and he will add his own sentence. In this way, we are going to do string of song. What we are going to do? String of song. Now in this poem, it is given a string song. Form groups of 8 to 10 children each to play this game. Now this game is there. Yesterday also I read for you this poem, correct? Now the first child. Just now I have explained you. The first child. The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples. That is what I got. That is what I got means what I have got something from market. मी विकत आणलंय काहीतरी. Bought means what? To buy, not brought. BROUGHT. Brought is another word and bought is another word. BROUGHT. Brought. And bought. 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 These are two different words. Bought means to buy. When we go in shop and we give money and buy something, that is called bought. I have heard many times students are saying, I brought compass from so and so shop. For example, now Sai Kiran, everyone knows Sai Kiran shop. Yesterday I went with my father and I brought compass from the shop. Not brought, you have to say bought. आपण विकत ज्यावेळेस घेतो त्याला काय म्हणायचं? बॉट म्हणायचं. ओके. And then here it is told, here first child is saying, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples. That is what I got. Now the second child is saying, now I told you, now second child will tell first child's sentence also. The second child adds something. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread. That is what I got. The third child adds one more thing. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils. That is what I got. Yes, small poem is given. Song is given. Now here are some things which are given and we are going to make string song of these things. Okay. Can we start now? Now I will say orally. After that, in next period, we will write down this song in the book. You will write down in your notebook. I will write down on board. You can see on board and then you can write down in your book. Okay. Now we will make first this song. The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers. A string of white flowers. A string of white flowers. Now this is first child, huh? This is which child? First child. Now second child. Now what's the second child says? The second child adds something. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers and a bunch of big bananas. A bunch of big bananas. That is what I got. That is what I got. Now third child is going to add his own sentence. He is going to add now his own sentence is a big jar of honey. What he is going to add? A big jar of honey. Then what will be what string he will make? He will say I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey. That is what I got. What he will say? A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey. That is what I got. Now fourth child. Now fourth child is going to say all first three sentences of first three students. Okay, he will say of all three students and he will add his own. Okay, so what he will say now? I went to the market. Do you know what I got? What I bought? A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, and a pair of blue bangles. That is what I got. So what this now fourth child has said the sentences of first three children and he has added his one sentence in that. Okay, he has added his own sentence. Now fifth child will say what? I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought means what? Do you know I went in market and what did I buy? So fifth child is saying I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, a pair of blue bangles, and some juicy ripe mangoes. That is what I got. That is what I got. Now sixth child. We are making string. Do you understand what there is going on? What is going on? String is going between students. First to second, second to third, third to fourth, then from fourth to fifth, now fifth to sixth. Now sixth child is going to repeat all first five students' sentences. What sixth child will say? I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, a pair of blue bangles, some juicy ripe mangoes, and a pack of liquid soap. Now we have completed string of how many things? We have completed string of 6 things. And what he will say in ending? That is what I got. That is what I got means that is what all things I have got in market. Now seventh child. Now seventh child is going to repeat now all 6 students things. He will say, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, a pair of blue bangles, some juicy ripe mangoes, a pack of liquid soap, and a pack of gram flour. That is what I got. In this way we have made what? We have made string of things. What we have made? We have made string of things. Now in the book it is given. It is a string of apples. After that bread. After that pencils is given. 3 examples are given. 3 things are given. Apples, bread, and color pencils. We made string song of what? We made string song of flowers, bananas, honey, jar of honey, then pair of blue bangles, ripe mangoes, liquid soap, and gram flour. Have you understood or not? We have made a string of how many things? We have made string of 7 things. In book it is given, string is given of 3 things, and you people are going to make string of at least 5 things. Correct? What you are going to do, today's homework will be what? You'll do string of any 5 things. For example, if it is here a string of white flowers, instead of you can add what you can add a string of beads. What will add? A string of beads. Yes or no? We have beads. Then after that you can add here a bunch of flowers. Correct? You can add here what? A bunch of flowers. You can add here a big jar of sauce. Correct? Or a big bottle of sauce. Next one, a pair of blue bangles is given. Instead of that you can add a pair of shoes, a pair of sports shoes, or a pair of school shoes. That you can add here. Next example, after a pair of blue bangles, I told you a pair of shoe. Instead of that you can say a pair of shoe. Then some juicy ripe mangoes. Now here some juicy ripe mangoes is given. Instead of that, what you can write? You can write some juicy ripe strawberries. Okay. Next one is a pack of liquid soap. Now there is a pack of 5 soaps or liquid soap, or there is a single pack of liquid soap. So instead of that you can what you can say, a pack of Maggi, or a pack of what you can say, noodles, or pack of chocolates. Correct? You can add instead of liquid soap. After that is a sack of gram flour. Now instead of saying gram flour, what you can say, a sack of wheat or a sack of rice. Correct? In this way you have to complete your string poem. What you have to complete? You have to complete your string poem by using different things. Now total 7 things are given, but you can use any 5 things. You know it very well. What you have to do? You have to continue sentences of all students. If you are going to take 5 things, then you have to start with what? The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I bought some I bought a string of beads. Correct? Then that is what I got. Then you have to write down again of second child. The second child adds something. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I bought a bunch of, your bananas is given. I told you what you will say. I bought a bunch of flowers. Correct? That is what I bought. That is what I got. Next one, the third child you are going to add is what? The third child adds one more thing. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I bought a big jar of sauce. Correct? Or a big bottle of sauce. That is what I got. The fourth child will say what? The fourth child will add some more things. Now what will say? I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I bought a string of beads, a bunch of flowers, a big jar of sauce, and what he will add? A pair of shoes. In this way, what you have to do? You have to prepare your own song. What will be the name of that song? A string song. String song means what? One child is connected to another, and you have to write down sentences of all students till 5th child. Okay? Till which child you have to complete poem? You have to complete till 5th child, and you have to add different things in the poem. I think you have understood what homework you have to do, and please complete your homework and send on your WhatsApp group of 3rd standard, so that Jadhav ma'am will check your homework and she will correct your homework. If there are some mistakes in your homework, or if there are some mistakes, if there are some errors, or if any spelling mistake is there, she will correct your homeworks. Okay? Have you understood poem? Okay, then remaining part of the poem. Now question answers are not there, only you have to prepare poem. In this topic you have to only write down poem. There are no question answers. So I will explain you poem once again in next period, and we will start with next topic. Okay, fine, thank you.